Hello, Barack. What happened?
What happened? Soshu.
I saw your car outside.
I saw your car outside. Masta motor bahar ulidalo.
Who broke your car's wipers?
Who broke your car's wipers? Stada motor wipers chamat kla. Broke dasal ki break de matol to ki gil the second palm use show past aro. Wipers mata stoilu the motor da kam makhta chikam da sapa kol shanwi de tamang wipers wayo.
Are you okay?
Are you okay? Ayata khay.
Don't ask me, bro.
Don't ask me, bro. Puhtana maka zamana aurora.
I met a psycho girl today.
I met a psycho girl today. ننزل يو psycho جنيه سلام بلا شوم psycho ستو الكي مطلب عجيبة جنيه چوي يا داس mentally دا كي كنا غير عادي مطلب داس جنيه سلا ويزا نن ملاو شوم.
She came in front of my car.
She came in front of my car. هغزما دا موتور مخي ترالا.
She was a clumsy girl.
She was a clumsy girl. دا مطلب هغه چې دی ویو clumsy girl دې ته ویل کېږي یعنې بې احتیاطه یا او بې احتیاطه جنۍ وه. She was a clumsy girl مطلب هغه یو بې احتیاطه جنۍ وه.
I tried to help her.
I tried to help her. ما کوشش یعنې وکړو چې زه د هغې سره مرسته وکړم.
She broke my car's wipers.
She broke my car's wipers. هغې زما د موټر چې دی wipers مات کړه.
I don't want to talk about it.
I don't want to talk about it. زه نه غواړم چې د دې په باره کې خبرې وکړم.
Oh, I see.
Oh, I see. مطلب زه پوه شوم. یعنې زه پوه شوم په هر څه باندې.
Never mind.
Never mind. پرېږده یې.
Your dad read your latest news.
Your dad read your latest news. ستا پلار چې دی ګوره دا read په اصل کې read دلته دی خو بیا دا پاس ته لاړو دا موږ بیا تلفظ کوو د read په شکل کې خو لیکل به یو شی. تاسو ته ما مخکې بله ویډیو کې هم ویلي وو. اوس د دې سینټنس مطلب دا شو چې وایي ستا پلار چې دی مطلب دغه نوي یعنې تازه خبرونه چې دی ولوستل.
You have to deal with your dad now.
You have to deal with your dad now. ته باید اوس د خپل پلار سره مطلب میلاو شي.
My dear cousin.
My dear cousin. زما ګران ته کاکا زویا.
You have to help me.
You have to help me. ته باید زما سره مرسته وکړئ.
You always help me.
You always help me. ته همیشتن زما سره مرسته کوې.
Please, my dude.
Please, my dude. خیر دی زما ملګریا. Dude اصل کې ملګري ته استعمالیږي.
What? Are you a kid?
What? So, are you a kid? آیا ته یو ماشوم یې؟
You could not deliver that cake.
You could not deliver that cake. تا نشو کولی چې هغه کیک مطلب ولیږئ.
The customer got angry.
The customer got angry. هغه کاسټمر غصه شو.
He kept calling me.
He kept calling me. هغې ما ته زنګونه جاري وساتل.
I told you everything.
I told you everything. ما ته ته هر څه وویل.
It was not my fault.
It was not my fault. دا زما غلطي نه وه.
That crazy person was going to hit me by a car.
That crazy person was going to hit me by a car. هغه لیونی کس چې دی وایي هغې زه په موټر باندې وهلم.
Please, sir, forgive me.
Please, sir, forgive me. خیر دی اغلیا ما معاف که.
I am innocent.
I am innocent. زه بېګناه یم.
Keep your mouth shut.
Keep your mouth shut. خپله خوله دې بنده وساته.
It was your fault.
It was your fault. دا ستا غلطي وه.
You cannot work here anymore.
You cannot work here anymore. ته نور دلته کار نشي کولی.
You are fired.
You are fired. ته مطلب ختمه شوې یعنې د وظیفې نه لاړې.
Get out of my bakery right now.
Get out of my bakery right now. Get out of my bakery. زما د بیکري څخه وځه right now همدا اوس.
I don't want to see you here.
I don't want to see you here. زه نه غواړم چې تا دلته وګورم.
Get lost.
Get lost. ورکه شه.
Please, sir, don't do this to me.
Don't do this to me. ما سره داسې مه کوه.
I need this job.
I need this job. زه دې وظیفې ته ضرورت لرم.
Enough is enough.
Enough is enough. یعنې بس دی نور بس دی.
Get out.
Get out. بهر وځه.
You will not work here again.
You will not work here again. ته بلته نور کار ونه کړې. again دوباره.
That is my ultimate decision.
That is my ultimate decision. دا زما اخیرنۍ یعنی وروستنۍ فیصله ده، پریکړه ده.
Barack disappointed me again.
Barack disappointed me again. Barack چې دی بیا زه ناامیده کړلم. Disappointed ناامیده کول.
He is on social media.
He is on social media. هغه په social media باندې دی.
I am worried about my son.
I am worried about my son. زه د خپل زوی په باره کې اندېښمن یم.
When will he change?
When will he change? هغه به کله بدل شي.
He has to be responsible.
He has to be responsible. هغه باید مسؤلیتدار شي.
He should join this company.
He should join this company. هغه باید دا کمپنی جوائن کی، مطلب یو ځای شي د کمپنی سره یعنی ګډون وکړي.
Calm down, my brother.
Calm down, my brother. آرام شه زما وروره.
My son will talk to Barack.
My son will talk to Barack. زما زوی به د براک سره خبرې وکړي.
You know my son.
You know my son. ته پیژنې زما زویو.
He is good at study.
He is good at study. هغه په درس ویلو کې ښه دی.
He is going to Miami soon.
He is going to Miami soon. هغه میامی ته ډیر ژر ځي.
He will handle our new hotel.
He will handle our new hotel. هغه به چې دی زموږ نوی هوټل چې دی مطلب هینډل به کړي. هینډل دې ته ویل کېږي مطلب لاس به ورته مطلب یو چیز کې چې موږ هینډل کوو، یا مطلب لکه زه وایم چې یو کار زه کومه او کار زه په خپله سر ته رسومه، یعنی زه پې هر څه کوم دې ته هینډل وایي.
There. He will learn some new skills.
He will learn some new skills. هغه به یو څه نوي مطلب مهارتونه یعنی سکلز به زده کړي.
I know Tony is a good boy.
I know Tony is a good boy. زه پوهیږم چې ټوني یو ښه هلک دی.
He helps you in your business.
He helps you in your business. هغه ستا سره په ستا بزنس یعنی تجارت کې مرسته کوي یعنی کومک در سره کوي.
God bless him.
God bless him. الله دې هغه ته برکت ورکړي.
Barack has to change.
Barack has to change. Barack باید بدل شي.
Come in.
Come in. دنن راشه یعنی راځئ.
Good morning, Uncle.
Good morning, Uncle. سهار دې په خیر کاکا.
How are you?
How are you? څنګه یې؟
Barack wants to say something.
Barack wants to say something. Barack غوښتل چې یو څه ووایي.
I am fine, Tony.
I am fine, Tony. زه ښه یم Tony.
Thanks for asking.
Thanks for asking. مننه د پوښتنې کولو څخه دی.
Barack, you are again on social media.
Barack, you are again on social media. Barack, ته بیا په social media باندې یعنی دوباره.
When will you change?
When will you change? ته به کله بدل شي.
I cannot stand it anymore.
I cannot stand it anymore. زه نور دا نشم برداشت کولی.
You have to change, Barack.
You have to change, Barack. ته باید بدل شي Barack.
You are not a kid anymore.
You are not a kid anymore. ته نور یو ماشوم نه یې.
Tony is a good boy.
Tony is a good boy. Tony یو ښه هلک دی.
He helps his father in business.
He helps his father in business. هغه د خپل پلار سره په تجارت کې کومک کوي.
He is good at study.
He is good at study. هغه په درس کې مطلب ښه دی یعنی تکړه دی.
He is going to Miami.
He is going to Miami. هغه میامی ته ځي.
He will handle our new hotel there.
He will handle our new hotel there. هغه به زموږ نوی هوټل چې دی مطلب هلته به یې هینډل کړي.
You should learn something from your cousin.
You should learn something from your cousin. ته باید د خپل د کزن نه یو څه زده کړې، مطلب د کزن یعنی د تره د زوی نه.
You are going to Miami as well.
You are going to Miami as well. ته به میامی ته هم ځې.
You will work there.
You will work there. ته به هلته کار کوې.
You have to learn something.
You have to learn something. ته باید یو څه زده کړې.
I hope you got it.
I hope you got it. زما امید ده چې ته به پوه شوی وې.
No, Dad.
No, Dad. نه پلاره.
I don't want to go to Miami.
I don't want to go to Miami. زه نه غواړم چې میامی ته لاړ شم.
I don't want to work now.
I don't want to work now. زه نه غواړم چې اوس کار وکړم.
I want to enjoy my life.
I want to enjoy my life. زه غواړم چې خپل د ژوند نه مزې واخلم.
Please, Dad, don't force me.
Please, Dad, don't force me. خیر دې پلاره ما یعنی مه مجبوره کوه.
I will change myself. I promise you.
I will change myself. زه به خپل ځان بدل کم. I promise you. زه ستا سره وعده کوم.
Dad, please listen to me.
Dad, please listen to me. پلاره خیر دې ما ته غوږ کښېږده.
I don't want to hear anything.
I don't want to hear anything. زه نه غواړم چې څه واورم.
This is my order.
This is my order. دا زما order دی.
You have to obey it.
You have to obey it. ته باید په دې باندې اطاعت وکړې.
You will work there.
You will work there. ته به هلته کار وکړې.
Tony is also going there.
Tony is also going there. Tony هم هلته ځي.
He will help you.
He will help you. هغه به ستا سره مرسته وکړي.
Fine, Dad.
Fine, Dad. سمه ده پلاره.
I will go to Miami.
I will go to Miami. زه به میامی ته لاړ شم.
I will work there.
I will work there. زه به هلته کار وکړم.
Are you happy now?
Are you happy now? آیا ته اوس خوشحاله یې؟
I will obey you.
I will obey you. زه به ستا اطاعت وکړم.
I will change myself.
I will change myself. زه به خپل ځان بدل کړم.